I'm checking the tracks nearby this capacitor. I've marked it with red so that I can find it easily on the microscope. So I'm going to have a look at the tracks because I think it's been leaking. That's about the best there. They look okay. That one underneath though, I shall check when that capacitor's out, because I think that little one might be damaged. Pretty sure it's been leaking that. Most of the others look in good condition. These don't look too bad anyway. There's a little bit of solder there, and I haven't done any soldering here. Actually, that joint doesn't look very clever, does it? I wonder if someone recapped this years ago before I got it. Because compared to the 520, I made a mistake before. I said the 524 board was in good condition. It wasn't. It was the 520 board that was pretty good, and the 524A board was full of leaking capacitors. So this one is actually the 520A board, and I think someone has recapped it previously. Well, these tracks seem to be, what's that? What's that big shadow? Anyway, let's follow these round. They look okay. I'm not really happy with the image quality because on this monitor anyway, it's quite dark. Actually, on the phone camera is picking that up better. Maybe I'll try adjusting the monitor, but some of these leads of the, let's see, one of the big Asics need checking, but I've not got enough light on the camera to see them. Through the eyepieces I can see them very, very well. So another little bit of solder in there, see? Hiding in there. Right, I'll stop the video here before it gets too big.